Yeah, I think it's the same one. Return trip. Make that video of the world's hijacked lifeline. See that phone you're making a video of with your phone or a digital camera? See that phone as every child in the world's lifeline. To the firemen, police, and paramedics, make a video of it being hijacked as you try to call me Milton. Oh, that's dinner. Make the video post. You got the time, you got the date, you got my number dial. You got worldwide phone gate. Ask all Catholic priests. What is Pope Francis's part in that? Post.